Today's event was focused on developing and delivering heat networks. We invited a number of participants to understand all of their perspectives, and we've had a really broad overview of the industry today. Local authorities also play a really key role in the development of district heating networks in towns and cities, and are often the organisations that drive forward the initial ambition to develop heat networks.
I was one of the speakers, yes. I was also on the panel. I've learned that there still is an awful lot of interest in district heating networks. We can share the knowledge and the learnings that we've had in doing feasibility work. And we do want to develop standards, we do want to produce guidelines, etc.
Well, I was asked to put over a viewpoint of the developer.
Being able to look at the renewables approach, support from the RHI, and the business case models we've done to date is allowing us to offer anywhere between 15 to 20% discount in tariffs, which is fundamental when it comes to conditions laid down by government support on DHLF and LCITP, so it does bring it all together.
This is a project that we're actually working on at Atkins with Vital Energy at the moment, and I think it's a really critical scheme for the UK. I think we've all known for a while that heat pumps and water source heat pumps are probably the way ahead. Definitely, if you think back to LHES and the electrification of heat, it's one of the solutions there.
No, I agreed to be on the panel because there's still a long way for the industry to go, and there's a lot of knowledge still to be shared. This kind of event gives an excellent opportunity for them to get a broad understanding of what's already worked and what's already been done.
Came along to the event to learn a little bit more about district heating, especially the legislative side. Thought it was good. There was some interesting questions put up in the debate there. Obviously the audience was well engaged with the topic, and I think it brought forward some interesting points.
The contractor has a huge amount of knowledge which is demonstrated through the selection process. Use that experience, make sure you take advantage of it.
Our own carbon reduction aspirations are reasonably well known. We'd like to be if not the first, then within the first few universities that's carbon neutral for energy usage.
I found it really good. I've really enjoyed today. From today's event, what I'll be taking back is communication. It's so important to communicate and network with people in the sector and in the community that is district heating.
I hope that people who've attended the event today will have gained something in terms of understanding of the market. I hope they will be in touch very soon to explore how we can collaborate with them going forward.